What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to insert a photo on Microsoft Word in your mobile phone. So let's begin our video. So first you need to open your Microsoft Word application, then open any document file. Now if you want to insert a photo in this document, so what should you do? You simply click on this corner. There you can see an option. In this corner you can see option. You need to click it. Then you can see another option is home. There you can see home option. You just click on home. Now you can see another option, insert. Just click insert. Now you can see picture, select picture, then photo, then you can see your gallery. You can select your gallery from here. Now you can select any photo from here, like that. I select it. Then you can select it like that. Again click this, then home, then insert, then picture, then photo. Then you can go from here. You can select photo, then done it. Now you can resize it yourself. So guys, in this way you can insert photo on Microsoft Word in your mobile phone very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.